Today we are learning Flutter Material Widgets and Cupertino Widgets with example and different. Okay, so let's start. So the Material Design Widget is a set of widgets based on Google's Material Design Guideline. Focuses on creating clean, consistent and visual appealing UI across Android and other platforms. So the flat design, vibrant colors, shadows, effect and animation that feel like Android using Material Design primarily for Android app or when aiming for a cross-platform app with a universal UI design is the material design. So the common widget is scaffold, app bars, floating action buttons, drawer, snack bar. Okay. So the Cupertino widget is a set of widget that follows Apple's iOS design guideline. Okay, so they provide an iOS native look and feel, rounded corners, simple colors, and smooth animations that give an iOS like experience. Okay, so the primarily for iOS app and when creating a platform specific experience that mimics iOS. Okay, so the common widget is Cupertino page scaffold, Cupertino navigation bar, Cupertino buttons, Cupertino switch, Cupertino action sheets. Okay, so the main key difference is material design widget and Cupertino widget is so the Google material design is a material design and the Apple iOS design is a Cupertino design cross platform but primarily for Android and the primarily for iOS can be used from cross platform. So the material design is scaffold, app bar, floating action button, drawer, and the Cupertino widget is a Cupertino page scaffold, Cupertino navigation bar, Cupertino buttons. So the material design is a universal design or Android specific app. So the Cupertino widget is iOS specific design and platform native fill on iOS. So let's see one example. So here is the example of material and Cupertino UI. Okay, so here we are using a scaffold and scaffold is provide a app bar and body content. So in the body we are using a column widget. In the column we are using material button and other button is a Cupertino button. Okay, so here we are click on a material dialog. So see the UI of material dialog is here is the title, content and action for a close. Okay, so here UI is a material button UI and here is the Cupertino dialog. So we are click on a show Cupertino dialog to show the dialog like iOS feel and look like for iOS. So see the difference between dialog of material we are using material and using Cupertino widget. So here is the difference. Okay. If you have any query and question, so please comment on comment box. Thank you.